Hey guys, so today is a quick but special little video. I wasn't going to film I'm probably still not going to film the process of getting the generator running, but this video is for James Conn, and I'll put a link to his channel down in the video description. If you ever have or are working on a generator and you're having problems, check out his channel. You won't be disappointed. He asked to see the generator part of the generator, or the inside the end cap. So I'm going to do that right now and show you the legs and windings. Now in Norway we only have two voltages, 240 and 400. Those are the two voltages. 120 will not work in Norway, it destroys the equipment. So let's get the end cap off and let's see what it looks like. So there's the AVR, and here are the connections. I'll take the camera off the stand so you can see. Now this is a lot simpler than the windings that the workings that I've seen on James's channel on his generators, but I know you use 120 and 240 volts, and that requires a lot more. So yeah, this is how it's wired here in Norway. Just one, actually it has two 240 outlets, but there's 240 on that one. Alright James, I hope you find that interesting. You probably understand a lot more about it than I do right at the moment, but as I was told, the generator part of it was working just fine. It was just a carb issue. So let's see. Now next week guys, I am probably going to take off from making videos because I am making one longer video that is going to take some time, that explains about my future, about this channel, about a lot of things. And it's a bit personal, so it takes a bit of time to prepare and film. So next week might not be videos, maybe a short one or something if I pick something free up or something like that. But so stay tuned for the week after. Thanks for tuning in guys. I hope you'll take the time to comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell for notifications. I'll see you soon.